Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Realme UI version and updating the App Market app. This ensures the latest controls are available. Once done, back up any important settings and temporarily disable aggressive battery optimization so background settings will save. Now open the App Market and navigate to its settings page. You're going straight to where Ad Controls live, so don't wander into unrelated menus. This sets up a clean environment for the next precise changes. You'll now disable the personalized ad sources inside the App Market settings so ad targeting stops. First, flip off Receive Recommendations and any personalized ads toggles. This removes profile-based suggestions. Then clear the App Market cache and storage to purge saved ad preferences and temporary data, making the toggles effective immediately. Finally, revoke unnecessary permissions such as storage or location from the app. These feed ad personalization. To finish, restart your phone so all changes take effect, then monitor the App Market for 24 to 48 hours. Ad reduction often appears after a reboot. If ads persist, turn off Show Notifications for the App Market or uninstall updates to revert to a default app state, then update selectively. If problems continue, use Safe Mode to check for third-party apps reintroducing ads. This helps you identify and remove the offending app. Make sure to re-enable battery optimizers afterward.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.